Today we're doing earlobe repair. What we're going to do is take out the excess skin and put it together nicely. What we'll do is we'll make it nice and round. He'll have a little scar there, but he won't have the excess skin. We'll put it together nicely, preserving his rotation of his ear, so it looks very natural from the far. Stay tuned, it's going to be very interesting case. So the first step of the way is we're just going to numb this. You're going to feel some start with preserving part of his ear down here, and as you can see we have it on stretch. I'm going to preserve that.